Hello, beautiful souls. Thank you so much for joining me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your third eye weekly chakra reading. I do a different chakra every day, so if you want to tune in just for a little daily message for the collective, you are more than welcome to. This card is representing the chakra itself. This card is a message from the Galactic Chakra to assist the energy here, help it evolve, help it ascend. So let's see what's coming up for us this week. It's been a week, and I've been doing the monthlies as well. And between the monthlies and this week, I've had just really big messages coming through. Or at least they appear that way to me right now. They feel kind of momentous. Okay. So, in these two cards, I am feeling a strong vibration between the two of them. They're really interrelated. It's very strong that they wanted to come out together. I feel like there is a burning away of a lot of attachment to the material aspect of oneself and one's reality, and acknowledging that, even though we may live in the illusion that we're really these, dense individuals, and dense in the sense of like 3D matter, we're physical beings, that there are different aspects of ourselves that are really connected to the vibrations of the universe, and there are things that we can do to activate that type of presence and acknowledge that reality coexists within this illusion that we're just walking around in the 3D. So I see here this almost like beautiful dichotomy coming out between these energies, and one really links to, it's like the first step of the energy breaking from the density of the 3D, our perception of that. And like drumming can help kind of start this process. It can help put us in touch with energies that are of the more primal vibe, that teach us how to be in this world, how to work with the energies of this realm within the Gaia dimension here. And there are things beyond that that can happen too, sitting with fires, engaging with animals, wearing types of adornment that attune us to the natural world and help us identify with all parts of that physical realm, yet how it is part of a more cosmic realm, how they're interconnected and not separate whatsoever. So I see that there's just a strong acknowledgement here of feeling our own dimension on a more vibratory level, as well as acknowledging that we are these energetic beings as well, and learning maybe how to traverse this type of energy and the different types of frequencies that are available depending on what you want to attune to, perhaps just to get messages or feel more refined, more alive, more healthy, in tune, purified, especially. So perhaps there's something that you're going through that could ultimately, I do feel like kind of the goal is like the purification, returning to innocence, returning to kind of this beginner state, letting go of attachments and things that weigh us down, so that we can engage in this constant cycle of transformation that is definitely coming through our heart space. It's involved with connecting our heart to the heart of the universe, the beating of the universe, the one and the same. Okay, so we are done with this reading, and tomorrow we will finish the cycle with the crown chakra reading. So I hope you can join for that as well.